The action camera segment is heating up once again, and all eyes are now on the Insta360 Ace Pro 3. Even without an official announcement, this upcoming model is already generating serious excitement across the creator and adventure filming community. That buzz isn't random. It's driven by consistent leaks, insider discussions, and Insta360's proven track record of pushing innovation in compact cameras. What makes the Ace Pro 3 especially intriguing is its expected continuation of Insta360's collaboration with Leica, a partnership that has previously elevated image quality, color accuracy, and overall visual character. With the Ace Pro series already known for blending cutting-edge video specs with creator-friendly design, expectations for the next iteration are understandably high. From improved sensors to smarter software and refined durability, the Ace Pro 3 is shaping up to be a camera designed not just to compete, but to lead. If these early details hold true, we could be looking at one of the most capable action cameras ever made. Based on current leaks and industry chatter, the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is expected to follow in the footsteps of the Ace Pro 2, which itself earned praise for its advanced video capabilities and Leica co-engineered optics. The next generation model, however, appears to be aiming much higher. One of the most talked about upgrades is a new Leica-tuned CMOS sensor with significantly increased resolution. This sensor is expected to deliver sharper details, improved dynamic range, and far better performance in challenging lighting conditions, particularly during nighttime or indoor shooting. Video performance is rumored to be one of the Ace Pro 3's biggest strengths. Reports suggest support for ultra-high resolution recording alongside advanced HDR or log profiles, allowing creators greater control over color grading and post-production workflows. High frame rate recording is also expected to play a major role, enabling ultra-smooth slow-motion footage in both 4K and Full HD. For action sports, travel vlogging, and cinematic sequences, this level of flexibility could be a game-changer. Stabilization is another area where the Ace Pro 3 is rumored to improve. Insta360's flow state stabilization is already among the best in the industry, but leaks suggest further refinements for even smoother footage during intense movement. Whether mounted on a helmet, chest rig, or handheld, the camera is expected to deliver consistently steady results without the need for additional accessories. Beyond raw video specs, Insta360 seems to be focusing heavily on usability and smart features. The Ace Pro 3 is rumored to introduce more advanced AI-powered tools that simplify editing, highlight detection, and content optimization. These tools could significantly reduce editing time, especially for creators who want quick turnarounds without sacrificing quality. Improved onboard audio is also expected, which would make the camera more reliable for vlogging and run-and-gun shooting without always relying on external microphones. Battery performance is another area where meaningful upgrades are anticipated. Longer recording times combined with faster charging would make the Ace Pro 3 more practical for extended shoots and travel-heavy use. Enhanced waterproofing and a tougher, more modular design are also being discussed, suggesting better durability and adaptability across different environments, from underwater adventures to extreme outdoor conditions. Interestingly, the delayed launch timeline hints that Insta360 is taking a more calculated approach this time. Rather than rushing out new hardware, the company appears focused on refining the product and maximizing the lifespan of its current lineup through special editions and creator-focused bundles. In a market where competitors are still holding back certain hardware capabilities, this strategy allows Insta360 to wait until the Ace Pro 3 is truly ready to redefine expectations. The Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is shaping up to be far more than a routine upgrade. From rumored sensor improvements and advanced video modes to smarter AI tools and enhanced durability, everything points toward a carefully engineered flagship action camera. While the wait may test the patience of eager creators, the longer development cycle could ultimately result in a more polished, more powerful device that stands out in a crowded market. If Insta360 delivers on even most of these expectations, the Ace Pro 3 could set a new benchmark for premium action cameras, appealing to professionals and enthusiasts alike. As leaks continue to surface and the picture becomes clearer, one thing is certain: This is a camera worth keeping a close eye on. Stay connected with Tecnify for the latest updates, deep dives, and hands-on insights as the story of the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 continues to unfold.